Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the exact coordinates and the datum. This matters because different datums shift positions by meters. Once you have the numbers, check whether they're decimal degrees or degrees minutes seconds and make a quick note. Then open your map or GPS app, set its datum to match the coordinates, and enter the values precisely. Do this now. Mismatched datum or flipped signs, negative versus positive, are the most common early errors, so confirm hemisphere and sign. Once the point is entered, convert formats only if required. Decimal to DMS conversion is straightforward with a calculator or app, and you should do it to cross-check. Next, plot the coordinate on your map by aligning with latitude and longitude grid lines and verifying with the map scale so you know expected distance. Then calculate bearing and distance from a familiar reference point. This gives you a navigable heading. Make sure to account for magnetic declination if you plan to use a compass. You complete the task by following the computed bearing and distance with your chosen tool, GPS for direct guidance or compass and pacing for low-tech navigation. As you approach, recheck the coordinates on your device and compare visible landmarks to the map to confirm you're at the intended spot. Once there, save a waypoint and note the approach. If you miss the location, first recheck datum and whether latitude or longitude signs were flipped. Those mistakes explain most discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.